People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate top-notch service today. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.